This brand new 2019 Ram 2500 Bighorn custom truck in bright white color has installed front leveling kit. It has 20-inch Discover copper tire and black hostile aftermarket rims. It also has installed black running board and soft tri-fold box cover. This truck equipped with 6.7 turbocharged diesel engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. It has colored body match bumpers and door handles and black front grille. Equipped with LED headlamps, LED fog light, and LED tail light. This truck has a front tow hook. It has front and rear sensor and backup camera. Equipped with trailer tow group with class 4 hitch receiver and fifth wheel package. Equipped with premium cloth split bench, and it has both front heated seats, leather wrap heated steering wheel, powered window, wireless phone connectivity. It has an 8.4 touchscreen with navigation with Google Play and CarPlay ready, dual climate control, and towing brake control. Give us a call today at 780-594-2277. You can also visit us in our website and shop at home at www.coldlaychrysler.com.